National Public Safety Telecommunicators Week is a week that was designated to celebrate dispatchers and telecommunicators in 911 centers. A telecommunicator, they do call taking and they do dispatching. They're often the folks that are not seen in emergencies, unlike law enforcement and firefighters. They're in fact the first of the first responders in order to make sure that the public has an easy entry into the public safety enterprise in Fairfax County. And this is a week to recognize them without being able to say thank you at the very end of an incident. At DPSC, we're celebrating this week through a number of activities that are shift-centered to say thank you for the work that you do. It's unheralded and it's often uncelebrated. We celebrate their years of service. We celebrate the awards of meritorious service, all of the calls that they have had where they have either delivered a baby, performed CPR, talked CPR through a citizen, or any other act of valor that can be considered meritorious. The one thing I want to emphasize to the citizens of Fairfax County is that their support has allowed the Department of Public Safety Communications to have the finest facilities and the finest personnel to be there and be available for them in their time of need, in their time of emergency.